Morning everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. This is our 2013 Seat Leon. It's an FR Plus model, 2 litre TDI 170 with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done 69,000 miles, got 9 services with it, and it's in fantastic condition. Really nice spec being the FR Plus. You've got the xenon lights, the adaptive front lighting system, the 18-inch Iberia alloys finished in gloss black, the FR silver mirrors, which are folding and heated, privacy glass, parking sensors. Yeah, really nice spec. Looks really well, doesn't it? I like a bright red car when they're not faded like this. Especially with the black wheels and the tinted windows. Just looks bright. Inside is immaculate. I'll just show you in the boot to begin with. All really clean. Got the split fold rear seats, parcel shelf, and a spare wheel. Just there with all your toolkit look. Inside, we have got the red Alcantara with black cloth interior. This was an option, it was an upgrade. It's immaculate. It's got Isofix. Just struggling to show you there. It works really well with the red. Same in the front, obviously. Don't know why I said that. Why would you have a different interior in the front to the back? But yeah, it looks really well. You've got the flat bottom 3-spoke steering wheel, cruise control, auto lights, wipers, electric windows. Folding mirrors. TPMS, look. Good spec, you know, these are good value cars. 69,450 on the miles, and I'll just start it now so you can see there's no warning lights. So as you can see, all the lights illuminated and went out as they should. There are no warnings. We've got your dual climate control over here with your aircon, which is all working nicely. Got navigation, DAB radio, media with Bluetooth, I think. Now I've said it, it's probably not going to have it. Yep, Bluetooth audio there, look. Auxiliary input, SD card, discs, and media device interface. Bluetooth telephone. As I mentioned already, navigation with working maps. Down here is your USB input and your auxiliary input. Handbooks and locking wheel key in the glove box. And that really is it. Nice car this. I'm a big fan. If you would like to arrange to view it and test drive it, give us a call, 01509 267 111. Thanks for watching.